I built the exact same cloud automation for both n8n and make.com. Same workflow, same cloud API, same result. And the difference between these two might surprise you. I'm going to show you both builds side by side so you can decide which one is better for you in under 15 minutes. So I'm going to go over the what I built on Notion and what's the differences with make.com and n8n. So setup time 15 minutes for make.com, 25 minutes for n8n. The UI style, factors, visual drag and drop, node based canvas. Claude API, HTTP module, HTTP request node. Free plan, 1000 OPS a month, 5 executions a day on the cloud. Self-hosting is different. The self-hosting, make.com doesn't offer it, and n8n does. And it's what it's best for. Make.com is usually best for beginners, and n8n is more for advanced users. And the price for each make.com and n8n is $9 a month and $20 a month. There we go. And now I'm gonna show you the workflow we already built out the other day. I believe it was V9, the automation workflow from the invoice generator app. From Google Sheets to HTTP. If you guys haven't seen it, please go back and watch it. Pretty straightforward. First we had Google Sheets, HTTP connected, the HTTP node, Gmail, and Google Sheets, where the data came in. Now we're gonna build our workflow together in n8n. First, we're going to start with the Google Sheets node. And then I made another client intake form 2, sheet 1. We're going to just plug it in. There we go. Next, we're going to hit the plus icon and HTTP request. It's gonna be post, and then the URL is gonna be the Entropics URL. Again, like we did in Make, we're gonna put the X API key and then the value, the API key. I already got it from Entropics, so I'm just gonna plug it in. And we're gonna add 2 more headers. Second one, Entropic version. And the value is 2023-0601. Third header, content type. And application JSON for the value dash JSON. Then we're gonna add the body JSON. We're gonna hit the specific body using JSON, and we're gonna put in the body statement just like in Make. And it's also going to be an expression. There we go. Move on to the next node. We're going to make a code node so I could bypass it in JavaScript. There we go. And fourth node, we're going to put in Gmail, send a message, email node. I have my email connected. I'll use my own personal email. And the subject line, I'm gonna put it with expression. Welcome this, and then there we go. And then we're gonna put in the message, the body message. It's also gonna be an expression. Perfect. And last note is gonna be Google Sheets again. So we just have an extra node in this workflow, just a code node. We're gonna plug in client intake form 2, sheet 1. There it goes. We have all the, and I'm gonna plug in the JSONs for each value, and it's all gonna be expression except for the last one, status. So we're gonna plug in the name, your email. Business type. Main challenge, expression, AI experience. Yeah, I put in the wrong one for the date. We're gonna go back, put the budget range for the date, and the experience, I put it for the budget range. So you gotta be careful usually. There we go. And we got the budget name expression again. And this is all gonna be in my blog in Beehive when this video posts. So you guys have it. So date, and then context is gonna be the only fixed. Let's run it. Let's see how it goes. We have all the modules now. Perfect. We also got the email too. Everything went through successfully. This is what we want. There we go. Hi Sarah, welcome aboard. The message we wanted, everything went out successfully. We're gonna try it out and make now the workflow we built. Wow. So this happens usually when you gotta do the when all. Choose when, for example. And then press select all. And then let's see how it goes now. Perfect, it went through. The email went through. Perfect. Very similar. Both did it really well. Again, hi Sarah for the freelance marketing business. Few things I want to also talk about is make.com is faster to set up. The visual interface is more intuitive for beginners. The parse response toggle handles JSON automatically. You don't need to write expressions for anyone to automate it. It's a less of a learning curve, but n8n is more powerful. Later on, in later videos, we're gonna make more powerful automations, and then it could handle, and it has the self-hosting as well. So that being said, it has multiple areas where you can advance with n8n, but both of them are really good. I would say make.com is easier to use, especially it's beginner friendly, and for majority of things they're gonna both do the same job. Not too much of a difference. For pairing with Claude AI specifically and for this audience, make.com is the right starting point. Like I said, the HTTP module is easier to configure, And the free plan gives you 1,000 operations per month. So like that gives you insane amounts of free usage. Both of them I did it on the cloud with the free plan. With n8n I do have self-hosting, but I just wanted to show both of them on the cloud for this example, for this automation. And yeah, there it goes. Very easy. And once you build out more scenarios, you could move on to n8n and graduate kind of. But yeah, there we go. Make.com for beginners, n8n for power users. Both work with Claude. Both work for the automation I built on this channel. Next video, I'm showing you how I run my entire business with Claude. Every tool, every workflow, the full stack. That's the video that ties everything together. Subscribe so you don't miss that one. It drops in 3 days. Free Cloud Business Stack PDF is also in the descriptions. 10 prompts that replace your most expensive business tasks. Completely free, link right below. Also, the Make.com affiliate link is right below as well. Start with whichever one fits the best with you. Drop in the comments, are you a Make person or an n8n person? Let me know.